Hello and welcome back to SkillMark Academy. If you're new here, this is where we break down the world of marketing, step by step, end to end, so you not only learn, but master the craft. Today, we're diving into the marketing landscape, old routes and new highways. To understand where marketing is today, we first need to look back at where it came from. Broadly, there are two major territories: the traditional routes, which have existed for decades, and the digital highways, which have transformed how we connect with customers. Traditional marketing is any form of marketing that happens offline. It's what our parents and grandparents grew up with. And no, just because it's traditional doesn't mean it's outdated. In today's noisy digital world, these classics can still be incredibly powerful. The core channels for the traditional marketings are printings like newspapers, magazines, brochures, broadcasts like television and radio ads reaching massive audiences, direct mails like catalogues, flyers, postcards, out-of-homes like billboards, posters, buses, taxis. Take Nike's legendary "Just Do It" campaign back in 1988. Instead of flashy celebrities, the first TV ad showed 80-year-old marathoner Walt Stack running 17 miles every morning. It wasn't selling shoes, it was selling inspiration. That campaign didn't just move products, it built Nike's soul. Here in India, we have the iconic Amul Girl campaign. For decades, Amul's witty billboards have made people laugh, think, and connect, whether about politics, cricket, or Bollywood. They didn't just sell butter, they became a part of everyday conversation. Now let's fast forward to the digital era. Digital marketing is anything that happens online, like social media, SEO, content marketing, emails, influencers, and the list goes on. The key difference? Traditional marketing is like using a megaphone. Digital marketing is like slipping a personalised message right into your perfect customer's ear. And the beauty is, every click, every view, every share, it's all trackable, measurable, and optimisable in real time. Example time. Globally, CeraVe's hilarious Michael Cera Super Bowl campaign blurred the line between fiction and reality. Influencer leaks, staged podcast walk-offs, online debates, and then, boom, the final reveal during the Super Bowl. It was digital storytelling at its finest. But here's the real magic: the hybrid approach of blending traditional and digital. Why? Because your customer's journey flows across both worlds. Take the fun banter between Zomato and Blinkit. Blinkit puts up a cheeky billboard, "Dud mangoge, dud denge." Zomato replies with their own, "Kheer mangoge, kheer denge." The real-world billboards sparked online memes, shares and conversations, multiplying the campaign's reach. Globally, Coca-Cola's Create Real Magic campaign nailed this. They invited people to generate AI art online and then splashed the best designs on giant billboards in Times Square and Piccadilly Circus. Digital to physical, then back to digital again. A perfect feedback loop. This shift from one-way broadcasting to two-way conversations changed everything. In the old days, brands spoke and audiences listened. Today, customers talk back through reviews, comments, and content of their own. And that means brands have to be authentic, responsive, and customer-centric. The modern marketing concept is about relationships, value, and trust. And that's the big picture of today's marketing landscape: traditional, digital, hybrid. They're not enemies, they're all tools. The smartest marketers know how to use each at the right time for the right audience. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to SkillMark Academy and turn on the bell so you never miss a new chapter. See you in the next one.